Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel Drawing Kong. Today I'm going to make a Halloween card. If you want to learn how to do it, don't worry, I will show you step by step. I will separate the paper into many sections, so when I sketch my characters, they will fit in the card. After sketching, I will use a fineliner to ink my characters. At this stage, you need to be patient because this stage actually took me 40 minutes to ink all my characters. The inking is finished. I will use markers to color my characters. And remember, because we're making a Halloween card, so just use simple colors. You can use a pair of scissors or a razor to cut your characters from the paper. And at this step, you need to be careful. Do not ruin your effort. I'm gonna put main characters on the card and make a mark so it will give me some ideas about the place where I put the characters and to draw the background as well. To draw the background, I'm gonna use my characters from my old drawing, Halloween Doodles. And if you want to get some inspiration, just take a look at my previous video. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, just share it with your friends and remember to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my new videos like this.